Hi everyone! So it's Christmas Eve by the time I'm posting this, hopefully, but I realized I should probably make a model related to Christmas. And so I set out to design one, and this is what I came up with. It's like a little candle, it's three-dimensional, and it's pretty easy to fold. So with that out of the way, here's how to fold it. Okay, so I'm going to start with a piece of orangey yellow paper, and let's start white side up and valley fold vertically in half. Alright, and then now let's take this edge and fold it to this crease. And then let's take this edge and fold it to this crease. And one last time, let's take the edge and fold it to this crease. Okay, now we want to make a mountain fold along the valley we just made a little while back. And then now you take this edge and fold it to this crease. Now let's mountain fold the flap behind. And let's valley fold from this crease to this crease. Now let's unfold and take this edge and fold it to this crease. And let's make a mountain fold here. And let's take this edge and fold it to this crease. So it should look like that. Alright, so before we do the next step, I just wanted to say I'm sorry that we actually have started colored side up. Hopefully I will have something at the start of the video. Anyways, next step. Let's open it up here, and we're gonna make a reverse fold right here. So, an easy way to do this is to take this edge, this small edge, and fold it to this crease. Okay. And then let's do it for this edge as well. And then for the last edge you can mountain fold it behind if it's a little easier. Okay, now let's unfold the first one and let's reverse fold in, and then do the same with the other three. Now what you want to do is you want to make a mountain fold between this point and this point. So how you do that is just to pinch between the 2 points. Pretty self-explanatory. That looks good. Now you want to bring this edge and this edge together. And then same on this side. Now bring this mountain fold up. And then we want to make a V of mountain folds in here. So the inside should look like that. Okay, and then let's fold this back. And let's fold this flap down. And now let's take this edge and fold it up to about this point. Oh, actually, sorry. This is the white side, so what we have to do is we mountain fold this behind. I'm not doing a very good job at memorizing this model. And then we're gonna push this point in, otherwise known as an open sink. No, sorry, closed sink. And let's flatten this down like that. And then rotate this way, and let's valley fold this up to this point. Sorry for the confusion. Alright, now keep it this way. And let's valley fold this up. Make sure to make this nice and sharp. And that's good. Now what you want to do is curl it like this. What you can do is you can use the side of the table to curve it out. I might do that, so I'll be back shortly.
Later.
Okay, now what we want to do is we want to make this 3D. So let's curve it like this, and let's put this edge inside this layer. It should be the big one, the big pocket. Okay, now you want to be careful with this part because it can easily break. So this valley fold that we did around the perimeter, we want to mountain fold that inside. So basically tuck it inside to form a lock. It may be a little messy, but it's on the inside, so it's okay. And now just to make this extra tight, we can kind of mountain fold the rim of this a little bit. You don't have to do this, but I might do it because I'm scared that it will fall apart. Now what you want to do is open this little pocket up. Just make a diagonal valley fold to about this point. So stretch it open. Now you want to, as a final step, mountain fold these corners in. And then let's clean it up a bit. And there we go, there's your candle. I hope you enjoyed folding that. Merry Christmas, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Take these two edges and then pull them apart. Oh dear.